Beautiful vehicle here. It's a 2017 Edge. It is a sport. 2.7 liter V6 under the hood, 6-speed automatic. Remote entry, of course, remote start, power tailgate here, reverse sensing, rear view camera, forward sensing. Power tailgate, did I say that? Leather suede interior, panoramic roof. Those seats are heated and cooled. We also have a heated steering wheel, heated rear seats, voice navigation, active park assist, lane departure warning with collision warning. This is a very beautiful Edge. You're going to find this one, Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.